Hello, today going to visit one factory, and this is our daily life.
对不对？人家又不跑。开水和长江是。
Today I'm visiting a PE blown fuel machine factory in China. Instead of telling you how good this factory is, I wanted to show you what overseas buyers should actually pay attention to when visiting the PE blown fuel machine factory in China. Today we are visiting this PE blown fuel manufacturer, Wuhan Xingyongde, and they are making their new road. Today we are visiting this factory. Five later. one thing I always look at is not their showroom. I look at how they tested their machines. A beautiful office doesn't make a good machine. A stable bubble does. If you are planning to buy a PE blown film machine from China, don't just compare prices. Visit the factory, watch the machine running, ask the right questions, and then make your decision.